to noodle. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing the India's 10 vegan delights. While much Indian cuisines is vegetarian, the extensive use of ghee, butter and milk keeps most of its delicious creations outside vegan limits. Here, I have compiled a list of some of the most delicious vegan dishes you can find throughout India. Dosa. Among the country's most popular foods, this South Indian pancake is both vegan and unbeatably delicious. Dosas are made from a fermented batter, usually of rice and a type of lentil, and can be eaten paired with sambar, a popular South Indian vegan lentil curry. They also come with a variety of stuffings, most commonly a vegan mixture of potatoes, green peas, onions and green chilies, in which case it is referred to as masala dosa. Make sure to check that your dosa is made with ghee as it gives an extra feel of deliciousness. Samosa. An all-time favorite among Indians from north to south, samosas come in an overwhelming range of varieties, including several vegan versions made with a crisp outer covering of wheat flour and shaped like pyramid and stuffed with fillings of masala-rich vegetables. Samosas are delicious, hearty and available throughout the country. Idli. This South Indian rice cake is made from fermented rice and lentil batter, much like dosas. The batter is steamed until it hardens and usually served with sambar or chutneys. Delicious, nutritious and vegan. This is among your best breakfast options in India. Chana Masala. Among India's favorite curries, Chana Masala is made by cooking chickpeas in a flavorful mix of vegetables and spices, except for some regional varieties where butter or milk may be added. The dish is typically vegan and incomparably satisfying. The dish can be paired with a variety of rotis or flatbreads, out of which chapatis are your best option. Pakora. This deep fried snack is among the most popular at home and from street stalls across the country, made from immersing vegetables in a mixture of chickpea flour and water and then deep fried them in oil. Pakoras are nothing short of addictive. You can commonly find pakoras of onion, eggplants, potatoes, green chilies and cauliflowers. Since paneer and non-vegetarian pakoras are also quite popular in some regions, make sure to check that your pakora is vegan. Aloo Gobi. Yet another highly popular and typically vegan curry dish, Aloo Gobi translates to potato and cauliflower, which is what it is made of. Cooked with ginger, garlic, tomatoes, green peas and a range of spices, Aloo Gobi is both delicious and nutritiously dense. It is usually served with rotis or rice. Upma. Yet another popular South Indian breakfast food, Upma is almost always vegan. The dish is usually prepared as a thick porridge of dry roasted wheat or rice flour mixed with spices and vegetables such as onions, carrots, green chilies and peas. Upma is dense in texture and highly nutritious, making it a hearty snack or breakfast option. Dal Tadka. Among the overwhelming variety of dal preparations you will find in India, Dal Tadka is both popular and usually vegan. The dish is made by frying and currying the dal along with a wide range of spices and vegetables, most typically tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, cumin, turmeric and garam masala among others. Paired with rice or roti, it is both delicious and healthy. Medu vada. This deep fried snack is also a popular breakfast option throughout South India. It is made from a batter of lentils and rice and the shape like a donut, which is crisp exterior and deliciously soft interior. Vada batter are occasionally seasoned with ingredients such as ginger, green chilies, cumin or black pepper, but are mostly always made vegan in South India. Bhel puri. Among India's favorite street snacks, this delicious mixture of vegetables, spices, and other ingredients is almost always vegan. Bale is made by mixing puffed rice with fresh cut tomatoes, onions, green chilies, potatoes, and several sauces and spices that range from sweet to spicy. Tell me which is your favorite vegan delights in the comment section below, and my personal favorite is Bale puri. And this is all in this video. We'll see you guys in another interesting video. Till then, take care.